Horses out, we have Sweet na Sweet past the begin, moving up on the outside and now racing eagerly for the lead. Iskarab takes the lead, Sweet na Sweet moving up on the outside now, Mr. Kawaisu. Then followed by Run Like the Wind, Janelle's Episode, Coquette alongside. Down on the inside, Maximum Exposure, Mahogany, Master's Degree, Pandora, King Aljun, Guided Missile, second last Andy's Roma, and Hakuna Matata trails the field. They swing into the back. The lead now belongs to Mr. Kawaisu by about 2 lengths. Iskarab drives back in second. Donori inside third. Janelle's Episode. Run Like the Wind is racing in fourth. Maximum Exposure. Coquette, Master's Degree. Donori inside. Sweet na Sweet. King Aljun also moving up. Mahogany, Pandora, Guided Missile, and Hakuna Matata. And it's still Mr. Kawaisu, followed by Janelle's Episode. Iskarab, King Aljun now moving up on the outside board. It's now Janelle's Episode, followed by Mr. Kawaisu. Then here comes King Aljun now moving up on the outside as they come down at the last 200. King Aljun now moves upon the outside to take the lead. Janelle's Episode drives back in second. Mr. Kawaisu, Run Like the Wind. And nearing the finish line, we have King Aljun. Second, Janelle's Episode, Run Like the Wind. Mr. Kawaisu, Iskarab, and Guided Missile for your Super 6.